This is Harman from HGraphicspro. Welcome to my channel. In this video we will be creating a nice dramatic effect. Go to image, click on calculations, select blue for the first option, select green for the second one. Make sure your result is new channel, click OK. Now go to channels, press Ctrl A to select this image, press Ctrl C to copy it, go to layers option, create a new layer, press Ctrl V to paste this image. Now I am adjusting its levels, giving it a nice fading effect. Now adjusting its shadows and highlights. Let's increase highlights a little bit and merge these two layers, and here you have it before and after. Thanks for watching this video, guys.